Hello, my name is Darci Lang. I've been a motivational speaker for 30 years, and I can't wait to come and share my 90% message with all of you. It's my belief that we carry this big imaginary magnifying glass out in front of us in our lives, and we have a choice what we focus it on. What I call the 90%, the what is good, what is positive, and what we have control over aspects of our life, or do we focus on the 10%? So I'm going to unpack this message in 5 different areas. We're going to talk first about the person in the mirror. How do you see yourself? Then I'm going to ask you to carry that magnifying glass to work. Do you see your job through a 90% lens, what you can control, or through your 10% lens? Then we're going to talk about our coworker relationships because we all work with 10% people, but the 90% people are great. Why don't we celebrate them? What about with your customers? I don't think the customer is always right. I think 10% of the time they're cranky and unreasonable. And then I'm going to leave you with a family personal message. I've been with my husband for 30 years, adult children, dog and cat. I know what it's like to give 90% out in the world and make sure that you have some of that left for the people that you love. I can't wait to meet all of you. Fill your toolboxes back up. See you at your event.